Okutangira program y'Ekyanga Kyawe kandi omuheereza and Prevence Akampur. Erizooba twine Ministry y'ebyoburambuzi omu ihanga kandi twasharamu kutaayira Mugaba Palace Heritage Site kandi ogu nigwo mwanya ogu Mugabe wa Nkore yabaire naatuura. Bwanyuma y'obugabe kwihwaho, gavumenti ya Uganda ekasharamu kuhunduuza omwanya ogu kugukora ekyoburambuzi kandi ahitire okugambira ekicweka ekihango ky'okuhunduuza kyahwire.
Amazina ganje nibanyeta Himsiwe Naboth Kanahe. Ninkora n'ekitongole kibakweta Block Technical Services. Ninkora nka General Foreman. Contract egi biri okumara emyaka ebiri. So far aitwahika tukaba supposed kuhanding over March konka bwa challenges. So contract baje extending yo emyezi ebiri ntuza kuhanding over May. Contract egi ekaberi eyokora landscaping ejekeri third phase. Contract egi bakagikorera mu phases. Karo phase yokubanza, phase ya kabiri, hategebera phase ya kashatu. Phase ya kashatu ebiri ya landscaping, beautification, road paving and walkways and the ceremonial ground and parking. So aitwahika turi ko muri 85%, ntubara yo 15% kandi wiyashuwa ngo myeze ebiri je batwongire ntwija kumarira. Ekabagura phase yo kubanza ekaberi yo kombeka perimeter wall. Ekeriye kombeka perimeter wall kugira ngo itaka ryona eryo bukama erya palisage rebere protected niyo cyabandize kukorwa ninjano girebo uko kwetorora. Then ekeri perimeter wall na gate houses and gate. So ebyo byona bikakorwa. Then phase ya kabiri yaba renovation of houses. Renovating Gasyonga, to renovating Kahaya house, to renovating Milk house, bwanyuma nabagendanwa na public toilet. Joni ya phase ya kabiri. Then phase ya kashatu neje nagambire ya roads, ya walkways, ya parking, ya ceremonial ground. So ebintu niko tubikoze. Ceremonial ground nogo mwanya go raised nihija kuba ntakorwa ho emikoro. So niyo bakweta ceremonial ground no rebe raised arona platform ahigura hariya umuntu yananda ku addressing abantu aha naza kuba ayemerire hariya. So ejo niyo ceremonial ground.
The Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife and Antiquities has in 2019 started the renovation and rehabilitation of this place. I think most of you are aware that Mugaba Palace or the kingship were abolished in 1967, and that's how we come to be the landlords or the owners of this place. And so since 1967, government has been in charge of these sites within Ankole region. And so it was dilapidated in 2019. But as we look at the diversification of tourism products and as we move towards cultural heritage, Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities felt that we should develop, Uganda should develop different sites. And this is one of the flagship projects that Ministry of Tourism is working on. And this as a flagship project, we are looking at it as a nerve center of cultural heritage diversity in the western region. Of course, when we are here, those of you who came from outside, you saw on our fence, we have the banana, we have the whole regalia, we have the Ankole cow. I have seen some people with t-shirts of Ankole cow, because basically we are looking at the conservation of cultural heritage and the attributes of the culture that we have within Ankole. So, of course, this behind me is the building that was opened in 1954. We shall see the one of Kahaya, extreme left, and then we shall see the drum house where the Bajendanwa drum used to live. And so those are the main important buildings in this place, plus the milk house. Because where the king was living, usually there was at least a drum and a milking place. So of course that one tells you about the traditions of Ankole. So Honorable Minister, we hope to open this site very soon, probably within this year. And we think that it is going, as I said, we are looking at it as a nerve center, because apart from looking at culture, it will be opening to other sites even in the, for the natural heritage. And so we see, of course, within the regalia, we see the leopard skins and others. So we are looking at this site as the center of heritage within this region. Sultan's Farm that is doing a feasibility, and we are hoping to work with private sector, Honorable Minister, to see that, of course, you know, the government has invested some money in this site, so we need to see how we can recoup this money. And so we shall work with private sector, and so if there is a charge, it will be a minimal charge. Right now, Honorable Minister, we are working on an open theater or amphitheater, which grounds people are going to come and be doing ceremonial, different activities, cultural ceremonies, weddings and everything. So of course some of those ones we shall be having to pay so that government can get some revenue from it.
Yeah, turahanuya mwanya kuba kweta Mugaba Palace Heritage Site, ahantu ho umukama wa Ankole yabera natura umugabe wa Ankole. So hati government iri kugezaho okutungura ebyo burambuzi egereze ko yayenangwe kuboneze konka etahindwireho uku umugabe yabera yiyombekire. Ekizimbe kimukurebe iki kiturye nyimeki kikiza cyamwombekerwa colonial government abajungu kubizire bakwata kunuya bakana bagezeho ngo bareberere abakama babere bashanga wa Uganda wa Ankole babombekere kandi ikizimbe kiri ikindi ecyo ni cyabere kiri cyo mugabe kahaya enchicho ibyo bikabe byembi byo ikamero umuyabe narara naki then the colonial government biza yamutera kwiki ubwo mutugu mukureba ubwo mutigo baruha abantu abago kureba ubwo no mutugu abiri gurwe ubuyabire guri nabwo n'ugusimbo ya yobugabe bwa Ankole kandi uguruho. So hata government nenda ngo ibintu byo no kubiyabereberuho bene uko byaguma yo egeze ku kubiboneza kugira ngo abantu biza ko banibija hano yakwa buri kimwe cyona abantu biza ko banibija hano yakureba ubugabo kubwabire buri engoma yabeneterwa intebezo mugabe yabira astamaho abazani babire batura ibyanze byabire bakameramu buri kimwe cyona injeje biza ko babira hano ecyo cyamanyisaki ngo first of all umunyankore no mwana urukuzarwa hati naguma nayijuka ecyabecero kuki ampa ekindi government niza kwa ni hamwe center abantu barambuze barakora basigaho center especially abajungu abangahi akwemba ibyo byo bakora bane nangu bize barebe hano
na ndio murambuzi wa Mugabe Rizoba no go kubanza konka na team yitwisha nayo kandi isima government supporting ministry ya tourism kuri ba Mpare Seji bajombekaje baje rehabilitatinga because umurimo gwa ministry ya tourism hasi ya department ya museums no kureba ngo twakuma culture y'abantu bona all Ugandans. So it just to want to rehabilitate ngira no kubakomera ng'abanyankore kureba ngo mugume no mu kigambaho na nabana bacishangeho. So nico turiyo tukora kandi no kunga abantu ngo twaheza bije barambure betegereza Ankole hi atandikire and the history and the culture around the Ankole people. Site hii kuwa tuzakujiba kwasa then ebe open to business abakwenda kuja kurambura bije barambure abakwenda kuja kore mukoro bashashura kasente bakorere mukoro then ebe netasya kasente konke kikuru no kumakaricha yanyu.
Omwaka gw'2020 abantu ababire bije mu Uganda kurambura bakacendera bwa nyuma yo kutunga uburwire bwa COVID. Aba bakacendera kuza ahari emitwara 87 kuruga ahari miliyoni 1 5/4/2020 abizira umwaka gw'2019. Bamwe mu Banyayuganda nibagira ngo nabo barebe bahunduize Mugaba ngo konka ticyo kumara ahabo kuba obugabe bukaba bubaretera bagamba ururimi rumwe kandi bakwatanisa.
Ako baganda batsigire kugira ngo bari united kunkitwe buri umwe ari okwe twine muri bakabajya ngo yabura umukurege ndwabwira ata kutwaka betu n'ubugabe twabe twine twice tizo kumwikerezamo nakabaka tujya ngo namba mwikerezamo konka kumukwa mwe nayi mukwerundanda mwene baganda bageta ngo nyine kani abaganda na nyine bumba mwetana nyine inswa n'ikintu kikuru ati to kunoreba ururimi turunagire usanga umukara mwende miezi 5 konka ko tubura nyineka kwa kubera rampa twandi tufuna abantu bakuru abakutwanura konka twacanura nurakare bakabajya ngo yabura umukuru agenda bwira nibwo namazima nuko kizireki ako ko kubura kwabura atabara bitwaje bahabura umwana agamba uruzungu nyizgana murebe ko babibona abana bitu baturengere tuwe kwaze ngo abana b'amasomero ubugabo bukabuyambaho akareba bakabatera nemboko kanyoni ya rungu bandi nganya nemboko zikabizo rungi kuja tujango nedembe ryo butwo nganga turengize umusiza kandi n'umugazi wa tumutera gwizo nyara ukati ngaru wagerenze y'urwigi itwa abanyango turengize rwigi tukumanya akituru kwenda tukumanya ibintu bingi bifuye ko kanyoni ntekateka ngo kintu eti kuba kutikora akazo karcha bakatuna abantu bakuru bakwabura bokwegesa bakatamune misoma mpa ya y'ubuhangwa kikabenje tuyamba ikindi tukabura bayisengaze bakabargira mu rubiri urubiri rukarujya bisengaze kuba botini sengaze yawe bakaba mu kuyira mu rubiri wo kwana mara wawe mwe no ubuhangwa bukabuntu burga nino kusemera kugira ngo kucyagarukaho ubugabo bwagaruka batubagara tukikuru konga kikuru mutwarze yagarakaho ibyo kuyerezamo
amazina ganje banyita Sengiyumva bareke Ben ubugabe bwa ngore bukiriho butakabire kuzama kacyangarano ente kuba ente za Kamukuzi zo mugabe kuzabire zibaze ryaha zitagarara kashozi ka Kamukuzi zikaba zinywera mu kiyanja cy'umugabe zigaruka zirugayo zitembera kipira zitagarra kashozi ka Kamukuzi zigaruka mu kibuga cyazo kuzabire zikamigwa rushozo rwa Kamukuzi zikamigwa rubajwe ahagata mwanya gwa Kamukuzi mu kiraro cyazo igire yabire ryenju ya Milk House nimwe amategabire gahumurira abagenyi kubabire bija bakabagikira mu njejo ibakweta bagendanwa ningashi yengoma niko Kamukuzi yabire koresyo kunko ubugabe bwankore kubwarigireho nkore yashonke yahubara yagaruke gima kunka twina amasukongo biturundu turebane bikogwa ubugabe buri n'ubuzagarukaho nkore garuke yangashani nkamade kandi nkumushana gwankore hakuba ikibukwasa kutuguriraho abantu babire bariho mu bugaba babire barebo burungi bwo bugabe bakabahinera yiteye babire bine ku kizitwe itwe abakurire ahansi y'ubugabe bucyankarine hakuba tukurira umunzikiza ubugabe bukabuhabura ubugabe bukabutebenkana isensi ubugabe bukaba bugaruraho ibyabire birugireho ubugabe bukabwigura imihanda yabire yigire kunkadi yegeshaha kwabire hebyo imihanda hiyabire imihanda yigara kunkadi n'amasukongo hategesha imihanda irimo neyiguka akubara yitera imone yagarukaho nkore irimo negaruka kuba nkore yira etari nkore bire rigwagati hati turone tugaruka hamutogwira kugira ngo ubusinge bwa nkore bugarukeho umushana gwangashane ubusinge butahe ubugabe butahe bamarika bakorera mu muringo gwabire bakoreramo nkore garuke mu buringo gwayo bwo bunyakari kuko twabire abanyakari babire bagirimo bakagihangariramo bakagitungiramo bakagiringe bakagihingirirwamo bakagitahizamo abakazi bakagizariramo embera zikabaho nkore ekahinduka nkore
aha mwanyogu bamwe no bagira ngo hariho n'emiti eri kushira kuretaho n'abantu habwa buri umwe yine kigendererwa cye
ubwo mutima gweta umutoma kandi no nshitekwakwaho nishikirizwa ngo ubwo mutoma n'umutugwa magara umbantu gw'abanyankore noreba mutomba ko wagwo observinga je noreba eshicweke kimwe cyakuzire kikafa kikargaho mutugwacho hazaho kisiya nacyo kifire cyaragaho hata mu gutugwacho haro kisiya so it believes neco ku bagira ngo okugumizamo generation after generation obuhangwa bukurugamo hazaho bundo obuhangwa hazaho bundo bahangwa so abantu bija abo kushaboruza kugira ngo nabo bagumize mu culture zabo lineage yabo ente kuba zahura bakushabwa ente multiplying mwe n'umutugwa magara nukuhamagara ikikuru kugenda yize kisi so abantu bijaha bahereza yebihebwa yabo bareta amate bareta ibyanzi bareta sente n'ibindi biconco byo kutwija bararaho nubashaba biciriza ngo bizubi yabo basugumukana biza kwakurugero mutabo
umwanya wo gutugura hundizibwe kumaraho byabirebereho bitwine bimwe ahabarekereho kugira ngo bigumene byijicurwaho esandere kwisha ntwijagumza mutoro kwereka bimwe ahabyo burambuzi ebi Uganda yine ubwo turi kurambura burengero rw'izoba kurebe birunje byayo